In today's video, I'll tell you the difference between aquí, acá, allí, ahí, and allá. If you are interested, let's get started. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Spanish Like a Native. Mi nombre es Álvaro y soy tu profesor de español. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to say here and there in Spanish. It can be a little bit tricky because in English you just have two different ways to say that, which are here and there. But in Spanish we have 5 different ways to say that. So now I'm going to tell you the easiest way to remember that. Some people say that the difference is subtle, other people say that the difference is significant, but now I'm going to use a very easy example so you can understand. And I'm going to use my cell phone. So you know that when we're talking about there and here, we're talking about position and location. So let's use my cell phone right now. If I have my cell phone right here in front of me and I say, where's my cell phone? I can say my cell phone is here. In Spanish, we have to use aquí. For example, ¿dónde está mi celular? Mi celular está aquí. So when we're talking about aquí, it means that the object is very close to me, it's next to me. Or maybe I have my cell phone on my pocket, but the point is that it's very close to me. If I'm talking to my brother and I want him to come here, I can say come here, ven aquí. And here's the tip. The word aquí and acá are exactly the same. Now, I know that a lot of people are going to say that no, they are different, or that the difference is subtle, but there is still a difference. You know what? That's nonsense. That's the way we actually speak. So again, if I want my brother to come here, I can say ven aquí, ven acá. There is no difference between aquí and acá. And again, with the example of the cell phone, I can say my cell phone is here, mi celular está acá, mi celular está aquí. It's exactly the same. But the point is that my cell phone is very close to me. That's the only limitation. Now let's suppose that my cell phone is kind of far from me. Let's put here 7 feet from me. So if I need to take my cell phone, actually I have to stand up and take my cell phone. And now if we ask where is my cell phone, I have to say my cell phone is there. I can say my cell phone is here. So it's a matter of distance. And in Spanish, we have to say, mi celular está ahí. So again, if the cell phone is not very close to me, I have to use ahí. And also, I can use allí. It's exactly the same. And again, a lot of people are going to say that the difference is subtle, but there is a difference. It doesn't matter. There is no difference, at least for me. Both are synonyms, and that's the way we actually speak. So trust me, it's very simple. You can say allí or ahí, and it's exactly the same. Mi celular está ahí, mi celular está allí. No difference. So now, let's suppose that I throw my cell phone very far, and the cell phone is not very close to me anymore. And I ask, where's my cell phone? I can say my cell phone is there, right? It's kind of far from me. Again, I have to stand up and take my cell phone. And in Spanish, we have to use allá. Where's my cell phone? Mi celular está allá. But what's the difference between allá and ahí or allí? It's the distance. Allá is the furthest place that my cell phone can be. So now let's take the example of this room. I'm surrounded by 4 walls. That's the area where I'm at. And we're going to divide this space in 3 parts. The first part is going to be right here when I'm sitting. The second part is going to be the middle of this room. And the third part is going to be maybe that corner or that wall in my back. And if I have my cell phone here, in this point, I have to use aquí or acá. Where's my cell phone? My cell phone is here. Mi celular está aquí. Mi celular está acá. Now, if my cell phone is in the middle of this room, my cell phone is there. Where's my cell phone? Mi celular está ahí. Mi celular está allí. And now, if my cell phone is in the furthest place of my surroundings, we have to use allá. So for example, let's suppose that my cell phone is in that corner, it's very far from me. we have to say, my cell phone is there. So, where's my cell phone? In Spanish, mi celular está allá. Okay, so as a summary, we have to use aquí or acá when the object is very close to us. We have to use ahí or allí when the object is kind of far, but not that far as allá. And that's it, as simple as that. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section down below. Y bueno muchachos, eso ha sido todo por el video de hoy, espero que te haya gustado y si te gustó por favor suscríbete a mi canal y dale like. No te olvides que subo un nuevo video todos los viernes. So, see you later. Peace.